Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm half black and half Filipino, and today we'll be cooking liche flan, which is a Filipino dessert. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Filipino American and I've never made a Filipino dish before.
To start off the caramel, we will bring this pan to a medium-low heat, and from there we will add in half a cup of sugar. I've lowered down the heat a bit, and our caramel is now a beautiful, light brown color. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Now that we've made the caramel, and put it inside of the pan, we're gonna set it down to cool for about 5 minutes while we make the custard. We're at the other side of my kitchen now. We are going to start on the custard, and I have to separate the yolks from the egg whites. Let's do that now. This egg is boiled. We have now learned that my mom boiled some eggs, so now we will make the custard. Hopefully not have boiled eggs. One for the chef. Our caramel is pretty much cold. So pretty. Love her. I'm gonna go grab the custard and pour her into the loaf pan. The reason why cooking this dish and a lot of Filipino dishes in general are really important to me is because growing up, I didn't speak Tagalog or my mom's dialect, which is Kampangan, and so my only form of connection was through food. And that's also just like how Filipinos in general show their love, is like through cooking. We're finally cooking our flan out the oven. We can finally check if she is set. I shake the pan. She doesn't wobble.